Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact clip layer and trimming tight, but leave about 0. 5 1-second handles so motion eases. Once done, tap Properties and choose Speed to open the speed graph. Make sure keyframes are visible. If not, add one at the clip start and another at the end. This gives you direct control. You'll be manipulating speed handles and curve points next to shape timing instead of blindly stretching the clip. Now you add keyframes on the speed line where you want timing shifts, placing one before and one after each action. Then drag the curve points up to speed up or down to slow. Vertical movement changes playback rate while horizontal moves reposition timing. Use Bezier handles to smooth the in and out of each segment and preview repeatedly to refine. Remember, sharp peaks equal abrupt speed jumps, gentle curves produce natural easing. Finish by scrubbing and rendering a real-time preview to confirm the motion feels correct. Make small curve tweaks as needed. If audio gets out of sync, detach audio and either retime it to match or replace with a stretched variant. Do not rely on automatic audio stretching for precision. Finally, export a short test clip to validate frame rate and smoothness before the full render. Tip: if motion jitters, reduce
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.